Good morning, Ranger Academy kindergartners. We are going to start your very first lesson called First Day of School. And you're going to be doing this along with me, Mrs. Hoganson. Now, parents, if you're sitting next to your child, virtual learning is a good time to watch some of the video, pause it, do part of the assignment, go back, rewatch, whatever your child needs to understand the directions. And they'll learn to do this too as we learn together. So what I have in front of me is a page that looks like this. It says First Day of School. You will find this in your packet called First Week of School that was in your brown bag that you picked up from your home school for this week. And you're also going to need a pencil. Make sure you have that with you. Some colored crayons that you'll need, a highlighter, and I'll tell you why you'll need this in a little bit. And I just grabbed some colored pencils. Your child can use whatever they want to complete this activity. So we are going to get started doing this lesson together. So the first thing you are going to do is pick up your pencil. And later, you and I will have a lesson about how to hold this correctly, but choose whatever hand you're comfortable writing with and grip the bottom of the pencil close to the tip and let it rest gently on the back of your hand. You are going to write your name. So at the very bottom of the page, there's some double lines. Now that's a pretty big space, but you're going to try to write your name right here at the bottom. So parents, here's a trick for you. Take a highlighter, and if your child is really struggling to write their name, go ahead and write their name in highlighter at the top. They can then take their pencil and practice write their name in highlighter at the top of the page. But for the purpose of this assignment, I do want them to try to take this pencil and write their name by themselves at the bottom. Because at the end of today, I want you to take a picture of this page and your child completed so I can see what their name sample looks like. That's going to help me know how to instruct them in name writing. So I'm going to actually go ahead and flip the camera around so that you can see me do the part of the assignment. Now remember, pause this video at any time so that you can complete parts of the assignment. So let's take the camera and flip it over, and you're going to see that I have my pencil ready to go. So parents, if you think your child is going to have a hard time writing their name, go ahead and take that highlighter and you're going to write their name for them, forming the letters correctly. If you're not sure how the letters should be formed, there's a handout on my website. If you click on the computer in our virtual classroom, it'll take you to my website, and you can print off the Handwriting Without Tears guide that shows you how to form these letters correctly. They do use a double line, and this is a 3-line, but you'll get the idea of how the letters should be formed. So I'm writing Mrs. Hoganson. Just like that. You can write your child's name and then encourage your child to start at the top of the letters and pull down. We should always be going from top to bottom instead of bottom to top. Trying to form those good habits early. So always teach your child to start at the top. And you'll see as my name starts to appear, Hoganson. Okay. So if you did that for your child, that is great. Now they have a model to kind of write their own name down here. So now, kids, it says, look at me, write my name. So in your best handwriting, I want you to try to write your own name. So at the bottom, you can start writing your name, and I'm going to go ahead and write mine really quick before I start my picture. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to think about what I want my picture to look like. What you're going to do is draw yourself on the first day of school. What do you look like? What are you wearing? Do you want your picture to be outside? Do you want there to be grass on the bottom? You need to decide. So a good tip for drawing is to always start by drawing with a pencil. That way, if you make a mistake, you can erase the lines you want before coloring it in with your crayons, markers, or colored pencils. So I'm going to start. If I think about my face is a circle. So I kind of want my body to fit in the middle of my page. So I'm going to draw a circle here. And then I know that I have a neck, and I can even feel my own neck and know that it's about 2 straight lines. So I'm going to draw my 2 lines down. And then my body, if I was to draw my body, it's kind of like an oval shape. So I'm going to go ahead and draw an oval shape with some arms. Now remember, kindergartners, this is how Mrs. Hoganson draws. Please draw a picture however you feel comfortable drawing your picture. I want to see what you know how to do. I'm going to add some fingers to my art. And I'm going to draw some legs. Today I'm wearing jeans, so I want to make sure that my legs are colored blue in a little bit. And I have some slippers on right now, but I'll add those later. So then I get to think about my face. Eyeballs are probably round, so I'm going to draw a circle for round. Add a smile, a little nose, some ears, and then my hair. My hair goes down to my shoulders, so I want to make sure my hair looks like that. I have 2 dots in my eyes. Those are called pupils, so I'm going to add those. And later, I'll give myself some clothes with my crayons. So I'm going to continue drawing. Maybe I'll add some grass at the bottom, because I like to be outside, and I might go outside later. So I'm going to draw some grass. I'm going to draw a sun. This is called adding detail. Adding detail to your picture is a great skill you'll learn in kindergarten. I'm going to draw a cloud and add some other details. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to start to draw. I'm wearing blue jeans, so I was going to color in my pants blue and go from there. So I'm going to keep working on my picture, and I bet you're going to start working on your picture too. And I will post a picture of what this looks like when I'm done. And I want you to do the same. When you're done with the assignments today, I'm going to have your parents take a picture of you holding up your work. Send it to my email, mhoganson@flaschools.org. Seesaw isn't working right now, so for today, that's how you're going to show me your work. All right, good luck completing your first day of school picture. I can't wait to see your work.